So PMS is essentially feeling uncomfortable emotions, and we get that when our body is we're out of alignment, when our hormones are trying to tell us something, when we feel uncomfortable. Now, the thing with PMS is it's more heightened in that premenstrual window, but essentially we get the same emotional reactions, uncomfortable feelings every day of the month when we are living out of alignment. And what I mean by that is when we are not meeting our own needs, when we are giving more than we are putting back to ourselves, when we are saying yes to things that don't excite us out of obligation versus things that we truly want to do, when we're not looking after our body, when we're not honoring ourselves. Now, the thing with PMS is those uncomfortable feelings, which are essentially just your soul nagging, screaming at you, notice me, do this, listen to this, acknowledge this. It's a lot louder in that PMS window. So it's essentially a great thing because it's your body's way of letting you know that you're living out of alignment, you're doing things that don't serve you, and that's therefore leaving you further away from your goals, your desires, your dreams, just living life in a way that feels good. Now, I know for me, specifically, when I'm out of alignment, I'll get PMS, which happens all month round though, in the sense of things Trent will do will annoy the shit out of me. Like, for example, not wiping down the bench after he's cooked. If I'm out of alignment because I'm overwhelmed, because I'm not balancing my work-life balance, because I'm not honoring myself, I'm not giving to myself, I project it onto Trent, and rather than focusing on my own shit, I'll find things to find fault in what he's doing. And the reality is they're simple everyday things that they're bullshit. Like, why would I even let them bother me? I'm only letting them bother me because I'm feeling an inner sense of discomfort and feeling uncomfortable because I'm not in alignment with myself and my values. Because the reality is, who gives a shit that Trent didn't wipe the bench down? Why not just be grateful for the fact that he's cooked? So things only trigger us and annoy us when we're out of alignment with our own self. So look into your own life. Where are things worrying you, bothering you? And it's because of something that's missing within you, something you're not giving yourself, something you're not opening up to receive. You're not communicating where you're needing more help. You're not spending enough time doing things that excite you. You're not allowing yourself to chase the dream that excites you because of fear stories like, I can't, what if it doesn't work? I can't afford that. All these, I can't, these limiting beliefs. So use your PMS as clues to help you identify what you need, where you need to step up and support yourself, or ask and call in the support from other people. Your PMS is your superpower for that reason. It's always giving you information about where you're not in alignment. And again, in alignment means heart open, expanded in the feminine, open to receive from the universe, from your partner, from your friends, from your work, from your colleagues, financially, health, everything. When we're in a contracted, cranky, irritated emotional state, a low vibrational state, because we're in fear, we're in self-doubt, we're in self-blame, judgment, self-loathing, we are not in an expanded state. And that's when it starts the cascade of things going wrong in your event, which then will be mirrored back to you in terms of you seeing and experiencing things that trigger you or annoy you. And yes, our loved ones, our partners, the people we spend the most time with are always those beautiful people that mirror it to us. But it's not about them. It's not about what they're doing. It's about what you're lacking in your life, where you're not following your dreams. You're not giving to yourself. You haven't filled your cup up. So your PMS is your superpower because it's giving you information about what you need in order to live your life in the most expanded, beautiful way.